Welcome to day 4. This week I want to share with you some quick and easy handmade Halloween costumes. The first that I will be sharing with you is this Candy Dots costume. This classic costume can be made using styrofoam balls, 3 different colors of paint, a hot glue gun, and a white t-shirt. Start by cutting the styrofoam balls in half. You can use styrofoam that has already been cut, but this package is cheaper and you get more for your money. Paint sets of 6 each color. When they dry, line them up on the front of the shirt and glue them in place. Pair with black leggings and this costume is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.